Hi guys, this is Shah from SADESIGN channel. I'm going to show you how to create matrix effect in Photoshop. At first, open your photo that you want to create this effect. Prefer portrait photo in this case. Then you have to separate the subject from the background, and I already did it so it won't consume your time. You can check out previous tutorials for learning this technique. Now press Ctrl or Command N to create a new document. Follow the values at below: width 20, height 30 cm, resolution 150, color mode RGB color, background contents white. Create. In this document, we'll create matrix effect. Duplicate background layer with Ctrl or Command J. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Texture folder, Crane. Drop down menu in here and select Crane. Intensity 100, Contrast 86, Crane type vertical. Confirm. Set the background color to this color code, #04AD64. Head back to Filter, Filter Gallery. In Artistic folder, select Neon Glow. Glow size -1. Glow brightness 30. Next, Ctrl T, hold Alt, click to the top right corner and drag out to expand this layer from the center. Hit Enter to complete. Now we'll add numbers along these lines. Pick up text tool. Switch background color to foreground color with this icon. Type out any number that you want. Click to this icon to change horizontal to vertical text. Go to Window, Character. In this window, you can customize text elements like size, spacing, color, and so on to suit yourself. Let's scale down a little with Ctrl T. Click to Layer Mask icon to add layer mask to this text layer. Use Eraser tool, opacity 30% to fade the number slightly away to match with the background. Then, change opacity to 70% to fade from the bottom. Once you're done, duplicate it with shortcut Ctrl J. Use Move tool to move it to another area. To make the numbers not totally the same, use Blur tool to blur a little bit in the middle to make it different. You can bring back details at other part by pressing X to switch black to foreground color. Paint over those areas again to bring back details. Now we'll repeat this step. Copy text layer and take it to new places until you feel it enough. Then put all text layer into group for management by click to this icon. The background of matrix effects is done. We'll take this subject to matrix background. Just click and drag it to this document. Ctrl T to scale down a bit. Move it to the middle. Create a layer mask to it with this icon. Pick up Gradient tool. Select black to transparent preset over here and draw a different lines to make the subject fade gradually from the bottom, the top, or all the sizes. Next, use Eraser tool to fade some specific areas that you want. You can adjust opacity to 2%. It's really a small amount, so you can freely paint over the areas. Duplicate, right-click and select Apply Layer Mask. Choose this icon over here. We're matching color of the subject and the background. Change foreground color to something dark green. Fill this layer with foreground color by pressing Alt or Option Delete. Change its blend mode to overlay. Decrease opacity to 80%. There you go. Hope you like this video. You can download this stock in the description link below. See you in the next tutorial.